Good morning, boys and girls. So in math this week, we are working on understanding that numbers can be made of any group of ones and groups of tens. You have in your math handout sheet this page. It's page number 26. It gives you 3 different 10 frames. This is something, if you're having trouble understanding how to make a group of 10, that you can find and start using. If you remember, Mr. Warholic asked you to get a baggie filled with 20 different things: cereals, pennies, raisins, Cheerios, beads if you have them. They should be all pretty much the same size. They don't have to be the same color, but they should be the same size. You can use your baggie of objects and your tens frame to help you build a number, to help you see how we're getting to build numbers, how we get to make a group of 10, what happens when we make a group of 10. Mr. Warholic is going to use Unifix cubes because they're just a little larger to show on the video. So I can put a Unifix cube here and I can see that I have 1. And I know I made 1 because I haven't made a group of 10 yet. I still have all of these boxes, 9 to be exact, before I can make a 10. Now I'm going to add 2 to my tens frame. And I'm going to use the box right next to it. I still haven't made a 10 because I have 8 empty boxes. Now I'm going to add 3. So I've just represented or shown 3 in a tens frame, and I know I haven't made a 10 because I have 7 empty boxes. Now I'm going to add 4. I can see I still have 6 more to go before I make a 10. Now I'm going to add a 5th cube to it, and now I can see I have 5 more boxes to fill up before I make a group of 10. So now I'm just going to go all the way through and add all of my cubes until I get to the 10 frame being completely filled up. Now I have made one group of 10. So I no longer have to count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because I know when the 10 frame is filled up, the value is 10. So I can just count this as 10. Now I still have some Unifix cubes left over, so I'm going to go ahead and add them to the very next tens frame. And I can see I don't have enough to make a group because I have 7 empty boxes. This tens frame only has 3 cubes in it and 7 boxes. 7 boxes, empty boxes. Now I can look and figure out how many groups of 10 do I have, how many ones do I have left over, and what number did we create. So I have one group of 10 and the value is 10, so I can just say 10 and then count on 11, 12, 13. Oh, I made the number 13. All right, this is one way where we can see that we have a group of 10 in a number. The number 13 has one group of 10 and then the 3 ones left over. We can also do this, and you're going to see this eventually when we come back into school, when we use our base 10 blocks. We can put all of our Unifix together and make a stick. Now I have a stick that still has a value of 10 because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes all put together. The value is 10. So when I count it, I can say this is one group of 10. And if someone asks me what the value is, I can just say 10. And then I can put my ones left over, starting to make a tens frame. So now I can see that I have 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've just represented 13 2 different ways. If I wanted to draw this on the paper, I would just draw a stick going up and down, kind of looks like Lucy Lamplight, and then I would draw 3 circles to show those ones, and I could count it 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's really important that we understand that numbers, teen numbers, the 20s, the 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and then all the hundreds are made up of groups of 10s and some leftover ones.